offer it beyond yourself, greater than yourself, your heart comes into it. And when your heart comes into it, you feel that warm gratitude. That is how you elevate your emotions while you're visualizing. Hi and welcome everyone. My name is Katka and you're watching Synchro Shakti. If you're here to change your life in amazing and beautiful ways, you're in the right place, so make sure to subscribe to this channel. Today I want to share with you a very simple trick that can help you feel those high emotions while you're visualizing without having to force yourself to feel high and good while you're visualizing. Now, I understand that a lot of people, when you're visualizing, you're not able to connect to the emotions, and that happens to everybody. So rest easy. We also know that the emotions is what does the manifesting. It's not seeing visions, it's feeling the visions that actually pull it into your life. So how do we start feeling it? So I'm going to tell you a simple little trick, okay? When you're visualizing achieving your manifestation, see your friends and family's happiness at your achievement. Okay, try this out. The second one is imagine you've achieved your desires and now you're teaching someone else how to achieve it. It could be your own child, it could be someone else who's struggling, it could be anybody else, but you're teaching them how to overcome. In some way your achievement is helping somebody else live a happier and better life. These are two ways in which you can start building up the emotion. So you choose, write it in the comments, which one do you want to see? The happiness of your friends or family, or do you want to see yourself paying it forward, helping other people with the achievement of your desires? Just type 1 or 2 in the comments, and then if you're ready, we'll get started with the visualization. So for the visualization, we'll give an example of, let's say, a new house, and what you're seeing is your family members running around the house, excited, feeling happy, jumping, partying, y'all are playing some music, you're excited, you're feeling the vibes. That is what you would see. Okay, for example, if it's finances, you can maybe see your family members feeling so happy and so proud and so relaxed now that you're settled in life. Anything like that. If you can't see your friends and family being happy about it, then see yourself giving back to society and seeing happy faces who are benefited by you having manifested your desire. If, for example, if it's a relationship, you see you're teaching somebody else who's struggling to get a relationship, and you see that person has a beautiful relationship because of you and the smile in their eyes and in their hearts. That is what you want to see. This will pull it up. So if you're ready, let's get started. Let's go ahead and close our eyes. Okay, let's take a deep breath in. Slow exhale, and now go ahead and pull up the vision of you achieving your desire, and just watch the vision. See everything happening in bright colors and in great intensity. And now I want you to see how this vision is benefiting other people in the world, including your friends, family, maybe someone you're teaching how to do this for themselves, and see the happiness in their eyes, see the joy in their heart. See them hugging you, thanking you for your own achievements. Okay, and now slowly open your eyes. Tell me if you felt any shift in the comments. Usually when it's a desire for ourselves, okay, the ego, it's just me and my, what happens is we don't really feel the joy behind it. But when we can extend the manifestation for the benefit of other people, seeing your happy parents, seeing them proud, seeing your kids happy, seeing your family happy, seeing you teaching somebody and their life becoming better, and when you offer it beyond yourself, greater than yourself, your heart comes into it. And when your heart comes into it, you feel that warm gratitude. That is how you elevate your emotions while you're visualizing. So please let me know in the comments, firstly, which one did you choose? Seeing your friends and family, or seeing someone who's benefited from your manifestation? Tell me which one you chose. Also tell me, how did you feel? Okay, if this shifted, if you like this technique. And also let me know if you want more techniques like this. So on the 29th of this month, we have our monthly manifestation routine training. Okay, this is the one people are waiting for every single month. This is our most popular training in our academy. It's a free course. It is happening on 29th. It's called the most powerful manifestation routine for faster results. This has, I mean, if you're not believing me right now, believe me when I tell you thousands and upon thousands of success stories from our own academy students who have done this particular routine. I'm going to teach you the entire routine start to finish, no stone unturned there. I'm going to teach you how to make this routine work in a beautiful way. So we're going to discuss 4 attractive factors that make it work, and we're also going to look at how to make that impossible dream into a super possible reality. These are the 3 things we're going to discuss in that class. Come for this class. It's on 29th at 6:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. It's a 90-minute session. Go register for it in the description. So having said that, firstly, did this help you? And would you like more techniques that help you visualize better? Please let me know in the comments. The more you comment on my channel, the better it is for me to reach more people. So please do comment, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. I love you all, and namaste.